How to blur video background in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut app, you want to go ahead and select a video that you like to blur the background of. So first of all, before you do anything, you simply want to go ahead and render the video. So go ahead and tap on export. And as the video is exported, tap on done and then tap on a new project again. Go ahead and tap the video that you have just rendered, tap add, and now you simply want to make sure that the cursor is right at the beginning and then simply tap on effects. Go ahead and tap on video effects and then simply search for blur. Once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and select blur close. And once you select it, go ahead and drag it until the end of the video. And as you can see, the video is now blurred. So from here, you want to go ahead and export the blurred video again. And now we have two videos, blurred and unblurred. So from here, tap on new project again. And first of all, you want to go ahead and select the blurred video. Select it, tap add. And from here, tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay and select the unblurred video right over here. Tap add again. You want to make sure that both videos are in the exact same sizes. And now you want to go ahead and select the unblurred video and swipe to your right and then simply tap on remove background. Tap on auto removal. And you have to make sure that in order to use this feature, you need to have a CapCut Pro. Once done, tap on the stick icon. And just like so, you have successfully blurred video background in CapCut. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.